Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how to clean your throttle body of your car, gasoline. So as you can see, the dirt is inside and also here. So we'll do the sprays like this, so avoid these electronic components to down, because this liquid is going there, maybe it will stuck inside. So do like this and spray. Another side. Make sure that don't touch the bulb or the throttle bulb, this one, the air vent. Don't move, okay? So if you move that one, maybe can cause of malfunction after your clean. Okay. Okay. Well done. Okay. Dry up like that.